Deep Paul, Assistant Professor, ATS Department, welcome you all on behalf of Ambala College of Engineering and Applied Research on this nice distribution ceremony. To launch, let me acknowledge the presence of eminent guests. Our today's state guest, Ms. Anita Lakshmi Lal, Principal, PCM, Senior Secondary School, Ambala K, Dr. Jaideep Ji, Chairman, SRSMT, Shri Somdev Ji, Trustee, SRSMT, Dr. Ashutosh Gupta, Director ACE, Shri Nalini Kanchi, Secretary, SRSMT, Shri Ashwini Goyal, and Member, Board of Governors.
क्योंकि एग्जाम चल रहा है, गवर्नमेंट का एग्जाम चल रहा है, जो सेंटर इनके स्कूल में बना हुआ है, वो जल्दी जल्दी से थोड़ा सा हमें करना है। लेकिन ज्यादातर लोग जो यहाँ बैठे हैं अम्बाला को बिलोंग करते हैं। हाँ हाँ, एक छोटी सी एक्टिविटी करेंगे। अम्बाला में भी कुछ यमुनानगर के हो, आपके हो, मैं चाहूँगा कि अपनी यहाँ 30 सेकंड के लिए आप जरा बंद कीजिए। और मैं अगर बोलूं अम्बाला तो आपके दिमाग में क्या आता है? पहली चीज, फर्स्ट थिंग दैट कम्स टू योर माइंड, ये तो बड़े शहर हो गए, दिल्ली, मुंबई, कुरुक्षेत्र कॉलेज को क्या आता है? कुरुक्षेत्र यूनिवर्सिटी वो नहीं है। और हिस्टोरिकली देखें तो महाभारत, आज के समय में वहाँ ब्रह्म सरोवर है, इसको देखने लोग जाते हैं, मेले लगते हैं। कहाँ पर? इसी कॉलेज। वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। कोई को मिला तो इसी कॉलेज में नहीं करता। ज्यादातर अम्बाला के बच्चे होते हैं, अम्बाला में पढ़ाई नहीं करना चाहते। बाकी के बाद स्कूल तक तो ठीक है, स्कूल तक तो अम्बाला भी बात भेजने में बहुत साल पहले इस चीज को समझा था कि एक शहर की पहचान वहां के बड़े बिजनेसेस थे, वो यहाँ से उठ के वहां चले गए। चंडीगढ़ के 17 सेक्टर में जाओ, बड़े बड़े नाम आपको नजर आएंगे, आजाद स्टोर, जगत सिंह एंड सन, वो सब अम्बाला से उठ के गए हुए। ट्रिब्यून न्यूज़पेपर अम्बाला में होता था, ट्रिब्यून कॉलोनी सबने सुनी है, वो उठ के वहां चली गई है, तो अम्बाला को पिछड़ गया। श्रीमान स्वरूप यूनिवर्सिटी ने इस चीज को समझा था और इस शहर में इंस्टीट्यूशंस बनाने की लगातार देर से कोशिश है। डॉक्टर जयदेव और सोमदेव जी यहाँ बैठे हैं, ट्रस्टीज, चेयरमैन। 1963 से कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज को, आई गेस ये आपको प्रिंट फॉर्म में तो नहीं मिला था, आजकल के ऑनलाइन के समय में पीडीएफ पर स्टूडेंट्स को भेजी गई थी। इसके पीछे वो जो एक्टिविटीज ट्रस्ट करता है, चाहे वो संगीत, शास्त्रीय संगीत के फील्ड में था, चाहे मेरे बच्चों का स्कूल है, ये कॉलेज है, रोटरी अम्बाला कैंसर एंड जनरल हॉस्पिटल है, व्हिच इज अ वेरी प्राउड प्रोजेक्ट फॉर अस, हाईली सक्सेसफुल मॉडल। उसके बाद एक नर्सिंग कॉलेज भी खोला था पिछले साल। हमारा इस कॉलेज में फोकस है, ये गवर्नमेंट का स्लोगन था ना, मेक इन इंडिया, और उसको हमने थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाई किया, मेक इन इंडिया बाय इंडियंस, नॉट फॉरेन कंपनीज कमिंग टू इंडिया एंड मेकिंग प्रोडक्ट्स। क्योंकि वो आएंगे, हमें अपने प्रोडक्ट्स की लागत डालेंगे, तो फिर हमारा पैसा बाहर ले जाते हैं। हमें तो इस देश में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करनी है, जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करेंगे तो हम बहुत लोगों को जॉब्स प्रोवाइड कर सकेंगे। और यही फोकस है हमारे इस इंस्टीट्यूट का। 20 साल पहले जब ये इंस्टीट्यूट शुरू हुआ था, 2021 आ गया, फिर सन 2000 में इसका बीज बोया गया था और 2002 में एक्चुअल पहला बैच एंटर हुआ था। तब से हमने इसका नाम दिया Now, in the applied research, the focus has to be on applied things. Depending on their 20,000 rupees a year में engineering education की जाएगी और ये भी वो है जो यूनिवर्सिटी और अदर फीस जो लगती है कॉलेज की फीस उसमें बिल्कुल माफ कर दी जाती है तो ये इस एग्जाम का पर्पस था I congratulate all current students of ACE who are helping out in organizing this, the staff of the college. She also Memorial Trust का goal make हमारा मिशन
Good morning. Largest welcome to one and all present over here in the award Senior Secondary School Ambala. As the chief guest of this award distribution function, Ms. Narita Lakshmi was born in Kashmir. She completed her schooling from Hyderabad and Himachal Pradesh. She did Gujarati honors and post-graduation from Jammu University. Legal has teaching experience of more than 20 years, and for the last 7 years, she is taking admin responsibilities as a principal administration from KCM Group of Schools for daily shaping in education. She has also awarded by Rotary Club and Danny Pascal. She has also been appreciated for her academic achievements by previous HRD Minister Ms. Priti Hirani. Apart from this, when I along with Mr. Ajay Singh visited school to invite them for this award distribution ceremony, we were really amazed to see the well-maintained school infra, lush green gardens, beautifully painted desks and classrooms. We were delighted to witness the education standards maintained over there. We are honored to have your presence as the chief guest of this function. I once again welcome you and on behalf of SRSMT and Ambala College of Engineering and Applied Research on this prize distribution ceremony. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would request our chief guest, Ms. Anita Lakshmi Das, Principal BCM, please come and to address the audience.
Especially indebted to you all, that gives me more pleasure. First of all, I'm very thankful and feel myself opportunist, privileged that I've been called here as the chief guest. Thank you so much. And I feel really very happy, and I'm also surprised after seeing the campus who has been so beautiful. I mean, the way the positiveness comes when you enter into school, this university. The college, the way it has been brought up and taken care by the all intellectual personalities, it shows and it makes me to feel that we are safe and our country is safe. We are really nurturing the future leaders who are going to take care of our country wonderfully, because at the back, such intelligent people, experienced people, highly intellectual people are working. You people are really very lucky. And if I talk about my personal experience, as Director Gupta has already talked about, we should not think about the good universities or the colleges which are showing you the glamour and very high fee, where you are paying a lot but receiving very less. I can tell you my own experience of my school. My school is in Babia located. It's interior of a village. But if you will visit to my school, my none of the child you will find somewhere down. They are equally confident. It all depends on how the teachers, how the faculty, how the management works on, and what is being provided. You may go to the top colleges and the universities, but what you are actually that makes the difference. And my personal experience is that all those students who come from the rural area, They are more experienced, more learned, only they need a bit guidance. Because, like I can give you one example. If I will talk to a city person or metropolitan person about the brinjal, बैंगन, okay? उसे तो यही नहीं पता होगा बैंगन होता कैसा, बैंगन का पौधा कैसा होता है, बैंगन लगता किधर है, पर इसी बारे में अगर हम एक village people को बोलते हैं, they know what is it all about because they have seen, they have walked in it, they have been in the practically experience or base level. So never ever feel village people or the rural people, they should never ever feel that they need something great or something expensive, something of the city or something that kind of an exposure that's not required. Village people or the remote areas can be equally great, only the thing is required. We need to balance everything. If everybody will go to the cities, how this Ambara is going to grow. Somebody has to think about that also, isn't it? We have to balance. And if you are the true lovers of your country and you really mean that you love your country, there is the responsibility to take care of from the core of one and then we stand to lead the line where the basic rules are being carried out. I am really amazed to see the campus and the way the things are being displayed, located. I feel you people are, again being taken care very nicely by the faculty members. With the coolness and the calmness, the way it has been, and the patiently you listening me and everybody, that shows that something is great happening. And never ever feel that you are less. Because when it was, I read applied science, applied engineering, that has a great meaning in it. Anybody in this lodge where all the children are sitting, can you tell me applied engineering means what? Applied engineering. When the management is thinking about applied engineering, that means a great. It means we're talking about 21st century skills. That skills which are going to make you to live your life. What is in the demand? What is in the market going on? We are going to teach you that kind of an education which is going to help you what is required. Like we can give you a few examples. Emerging technologies are so fastly coming up. What was 6 months back is not available now. What is now available after a month will not be there. Technology is moving so fast. And when I was reading the name of the college, that was Sri Ram Sarup Management Trust. The Ram Sarup itself is a clicking and catchy name that reflects that Ram Sarup, the qualities of what the Lord Rama, that has to be imbibed and built in you. That means the management thinking such a deep and has such a great vision to work for the kids. I'm very thankful to you all working such a nicely and taking care of the kids so beautifully. Really, I feel, honored as well as I feel the country is in a safe way moving on and you people are highly required. Thank you so much everyone. God bless you. Thank you.
Sajid Ali.
That relationship be active. Very good.
Thank you, Shri. Now I will request Shri Ramakant ji. Nisha Arora. Abhimanyu Raj. Priyanka Bagachi. Now I will request Shri Ashwini Goyal ji. Yancy. Srishti Moria. Isha Bhatia. Muskan, daughter of Kuldeep. Second position goes to Tanu Sethi. First position goes to Prakul Bhatia. Thank you so much.
Bala College of Engineering and Shri Ram Singh Namboli Trust.
All the best.
Ambala College of Engineering and Applied Research, Devasthali near Mithapur, where education is our passion and not a business, offers सबसे अच्छी पढ़ाई और सबसे कम फीस, merit based scholarship on admission.